Welcome to my channel. Let us look at this interesting equation. Solve for x in 3 raised to power x over 9 is equal to 1 over 3 raised to power 1 minus 2x. So the first thing we need to do is just write each and every term to a common base, and we can use a base 3. So on the left hand side, we'll have 3 raised to power x over, we can write 9 as 3 raised to power 2. 3 raised to power 2. And then on the right hand side, we can write 1 as 3 raised to power 0, because remember that any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So it means we can have 1 as 3 raised to power 0, and then that is over 3 raised to power 1 minus 2x. So after this, all we need to do is just apply the laws of indices. So before we do that, we can derive this. This fraction just means it is a division between these two terms. So you can write the left-hand side as 3 raised to power x, divide by 3 raised to power 2. And then on the right-hand side, you have 3 raised to power 0, divide by 3 raised to power 1 minus 2x. So according to the laws of indices, if you have two numbers, say a raised to power n, and you're dividing that by another number a raised to power m, then all you need to do is just take a and then subtract the powers, that is n minus m. So that is what we can do to write both the left and the right hand side of this equation. So it means on the left hand side, we want to have 3 raised to power x minus 2. And then on the right hand side, we want to have 3 raised to power 0 minus 1 minus 2x. So as you can see, the bases are the same. That is 3 and 3 are the same, and therefore the powers must also be the same. So it means we have that x minus 2 is equal to 0 minus 1 minus 2x. So all we need to do now is just to collect the like terms. So we're going to have, first of all, let's open up this bracket. So we have x minus 2 is equal to 0 minus 1 plus 2x. That is because we have minus minus. Then collecting the like terms, we're going to have x. Then we bring positive 2x to the left hand side, it becomes negative 2x. And then on the right hand side, we have minus 1. Then you take negative 2 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2. So on the left hand side, we have negative x, and then on the right hand side, we have 1. So just divide both sides by negative 1, so that we have x is equal to negative 1. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel.